guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey Elizabeth and I'm super excited to have you with me today. I just finished doing this amazing glam look. Did I film it? No, that's not what we're watching today. Just letting you guys know, disclaimer completely. If you guys want to see this amazing eye look right here, let me know in the comments down below and I'll film it next week. I threw on this makeup just because, you know what, I wanted to try out these amazing new magnetic lashes. Are these safe? Like, you know, is it safe to put all those like little magnetic shavings like in a liner and then that close to your eyelid? Like, I've always been super freaked out about that. How long do these last? Or do they last all day? You know, let's do a wear test. Let's figure this all out. Alright guys, let's get into it, unbox this, and start this video. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is it. So the reason I picked this setup was because it had like a variety of lashes, and I've been really into the wispy, dramatic, kind of big ones lately, just because I tried that Too Faced Drama Queen lash in a previous video, and I've been really into it for this holiday season. These ones I also picked up because they have 5 magnets each. It just kind of sticks onto this little metal eyelash applicator. That's cool. So I'm going to just set that down on my table. I'm just going to take out one of these magnetic lash liners, and this honestly feels empty. Like, it feels like there's absolutely nothing in this bottle. But this feels empty. Oh, it's not. It's not. But this is like the lightest feeling formula. It does have a strong scent to it. Let's go through these instructions. On the back of the packaging, it says, Step 1. Please shake the eyeliner before use. Okay. Step 2. Apply 2 layers of eyeliner at least and let it dry. Okay, this has a bit of a strong scent, I'm not gonna lie. It's more chemical-y than anything else, like rubber, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna go back in. I find it dries down super fast and take a little bit more liner just to get that first coat completed. Okay, I've got 1 coat of liner on. It says to let it dry and repeat. Okay, I'm gonna go in and apply that second coat. Okay, I've applied 2 coats of the liner to this eye. I'm going to go in, repeat those steps on the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, I've gone in, I've applied the liquid eyeliner for the magnetic lashes to both of my eyes. It goes on black and flawless. It does have a very strong smell to it, but I'm getting over it. It's not like a terrible smell, it just smells a little chemically. But, you know, so far it's a cute eyeliner. It's not giving me watery eyes, and you guys know that, like, there's a product I'm sensitive to. I get watery eyes like that. So far so good. So I'm just letting this dry down, and let's go in with our lash that we've picked up. There are 5 magnets on these lashes, which is one of the reasons that I actually purchased this company's lashes. This is the moment of truth. Like, how good does this actually work? So I've got it in my little lash applicator. And this one goes on this eye. Oops. I'm just going to try this out. Oh, okay. Wow, it just kind of like catches on there. That is the weirdest sensation. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. There's like a bit of a trial and error. Holy crap, it worked. I am shocked. It's on there. Okay, it took a little bit of trial and error, but like, yeah, it's on there. And that lash is phenomenal. Like, that's stunning. What do you guys think? It works, that's for sure. Alright, I'm excited. I'm gonna go in with the other one. I've got it in my little lash tweezer. Okay, hands down, second application went so much easier than the first application because I knew what to expect, obviously. But like, I mean, those lashes, like that's everything. Can you guys see how amazing that looks? I am blown away. No wonder this is a huge trend. I'm shook. Like, this is phenomenal. Can you guys check that out? So I've got on lash 3 right now. I'm gonna go in and try on a couple of these so you guys can see the difference in the different lashes. I'm impressed. Okay, now it says how to remove your eyelashes. Take your index finger and your thumb and gently slide the magnet lashes away from your eyeliner. Step 2. Try to avoid pulling the lashes straight off, as this may alter the shape and look of the lashes. Step 3. Remove eyeliner by using eye and lip makeup remover. Okay. That removed so easily. Wow. Like, wow. These are some pretty awesome lashes. Like, I have to say, like, I'm super impressed. Like, Amazon, like, this is great. Okay, so we just tried number 3. I'm gonna go in probably with the last one here because these look dramatic. I'm going to take these. I'm just gonna try and plop it on just with my fingertips. Alright, I just threw those on with my fingertips and that looks pretty awesome. Like that. That's dramatic. Kinda living for it. Like that a lot. For the fun of it, I'm just gonna grab another one. I'm thinking let's grab this one at the very, very top. So that's definitely a more natural lash, but that's pretty. Like, these lashes are so pretty. Like, obviously I've got 2 different lashes on and it gives 2 different complete vibes. This one's more natural. This one's definitely like 3 times fuller and longer. So it gives a more, you know, she's vibing kind of a vibe. But yeah, what do you guys think? This product is super easy to use. Like, literally, a child could use it. I don't recommend it for a child, but I had so much fear regarding like magnetic lashes and magnetic liner. This is so easy to use. Like, wow. Like, you guys saw how shocked I was. Like, I'm impressed. Like, these are so, so good. The magnetic liner is black. It is really, really striking. It's flawless. It's really, really nice. I like it a lot. The lashes, the variety that you get in this package right here. Clearly I have one from the bottom and one from the top on my eyelashes right now. But, like, you get all these different varieties, which is going to give you endless amounts of different looks that you could do with this. It's such a good buy, I think. And you've got the 5 magnets. So, I mean, it just like adheres kind of, and it's so easy to remove. I thought it would pull but it doesn't. Like, it honestly doesn't. I'm so impressed with this. 100%. Like, Amazon, I'll leave the link in the description down below. And I'm not an affiliate at all. It was just a random Amazon search. I searched magnetic lashes. Game changer. Like, 100%, you have to try this. Game changer. This is like life changing. This is like that kind of moment. Like, this is wow. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Alright guys, until next time, remember, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.